Hello my wonderful people and welcome to Nenye's channel. I hope you all are doing great. Please take good care of yourself and stay safe. May God bless you all. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make healthy coconut milk at home. So guys, stay tuned. Let's start. For this recipe I'll be using this 4 brand matured coconut. That's what I'll be using. First, I'm just going to crack open the coconut. Then after that, I'll separate the water, just like this. This it's very easy to break. Now I'm done breaking the coconut. I'm just going to separate the coconut flesh from the shell. Let's just take a break. Let me drink my coconut water. This is very sweet. Okay, let's start. So right now I'm just going to use a knife to separate the coconut flesh from the shell. Just this way. For you to separate it, you have to be careful. You have to be very careful. If you find it difficult to do it this way, you can as well break it more. Have you seen it? If you cannot be able to do it this way, like I said, you can break it more. Like in Africa, there are many ways to break coconut. Either you hit it on the stone, or then you break it with a big machete. After separating the coconut flesh from the shell, I'm just going to rinse it with a cool water. So guys, after the washing, I'm just going to use the knife to remove the brown skin. If you really want to get a pure white coconut milk, you need to remove the brown skin. That is it. You need to remove the brown skin. So guys, right now I'm going to cut the coconut flesh into smaller sizes to help my blender. That's what I'll be doing right now. After cutting the coconut flesh, this is how it looks. Right now I'm just going to put it into the food processor and then blend it until it's smooth. That's what I'm just going to do right now. So at this point I'm going to add the water. Guys, I'm just using a glass of water. That's what I want to use, because for you to get a very good concentrated coconut milk, you have to use small amount of water. You don't need much water to do it. Yeah, right now I'm just going to cover the food processor and I'm going to on the food processor, then I'll blend. So guys, I'm just going to use the knife to scrape down the coconut flesh so that it will blend very well. Yeah, keep blending the coconut flesh until it's smooth. So guys, now that I'm done blending, I'm just going to pour the blended coconut over the bag. This is a cheese bag. I'm just going to use it to separate the coconut chaff from the milk. That's what I'm be using to do it. You can also use this strainer to do it, but I prefer using this one because this one makes it very easy for me. I bought it from Amazon, so I will put the link below so that you can check it out. I'll pour the blended coconut over the cheese bag. So guys, at this point I'm going to squeeze out the coconut milk from the cheese bag. Make sure that you wash your hand. Right now I'm just going to pour the coconut milk into the bottle. Then I'll cover it and put it in the fridge. So guys, our tasty coconut milk is ready. You can see that's all it takes to make coconut milk. If you have found this video helpful, kindly subscribe, like and share my videos. Thank you for watching and bye bye. Stay blessed. God loves you, and always know that you are unique and wonderfully made by God.